The pickup truck segment in the United States continues to evolve, and Ram is expanding its lineup with a brand new off-road focused trim, the Ram 1500 Backcountry 2026. Positioned between the more aggressive Rebel and the entry-level off-road variants, this model is designed to offer a perfect balance of rugged capability and everyday usability. Built on the Bighorn 4x4 crew cab platform, the Backcountry delivers real off-road hardware without pushing into extreme pricing territory. It combines modern powertrain options, advanced technology, and practical comfort features for daily driving. With growing demand for adventure-ready trucks, Ram has created a package that appeals to both off-road enthusiasts and lifestyle buyers. The Backcountry is essentially a sweet spot truck that blends performance, comfort, and value in a highly competitive segment. Exterior design. The exterior design of the Ram 1500 Backcountry 2026 reflects its rugged purpose while maintaining a clean and modern look. It features a body-color grille that blends seamlessly with the truck's bold front fascia, giving it a more refined appearance compared to aggressive off-road trims. Black fender flares and lower body cladding add durability and visual toughness, while also protecting the truck during off-road use. The truck rides on 18-inch black wheels wrapped in 32-inch all-terrain tires, enhancing both grip and stance. At the rear, subtle design elements and premium finishes maintain a balance between utility and style. The overall proportions remain strong and muscular, with a commanding road presence typical of full-size American pickups. This design ensures the Backcountry looks equally at home on city streets and rugged trails. Interior and comfort. Inside the cabin, the Ram 1500 Backcountry offers a comfortable and well-equipped interior based on the Bighorn trim. The standard setup includes heated seats and a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, making it suitable for all weather conditions. The cabin design focuses on practicality, with durable materials combined with modern touches for a premium feel. Higher trims or optional packages bring upgrades such as 10-way power-adjustable seats, dual-zone climate control, and premium audio systems. The layout is user-friendly with intuitive controls and ample storage spaces for daily use. Passenger space is generous thanks to the crew cab configuration, ensuring comfort for both front and rear occupants. Overall, the interior strikes a balance between work truck durability and everyday comfort. Technology and infotainment is another strong point of the 2026 Backcountry, especially when equipped with the Level 2 package. The truck features the advanced Uconnect 5 infotainment system, available with a large 12-inch touchscreen that delivers smooth performance and intuitive navigation. The system supports smartphone connectivity, voice commands, and customizable interfaces. A digital instrument cluster provides clear driving information, enhancing the overall driving experience. Additional features include wireless charging pads, multiple USB ports, and a premium sound system for enhanced entertainment. The truck also integrates various driver assistance systems, making it both smart and practical for modern users. This blend of digital convenience and usability keeps the Backcountry competitive in today's tech-driven truck market. Performance in powertrain. Under the hood, the Ram 1500 Backcountry 2026 offers strong and versatile powertrain options. Buyers can choose between a 3.0-liter twin-turbo Hurricane inline-six producing around 420 horsepower, or the classic 5.7-liter HEMI V8 for those who prefer traditional V8 performance. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth power delivery and efficiency. The Hurricane engine delivers impressive torque in modern performance, while the HEMI V8 provides a familiar and powerful driving experience. With a maximum towing capacity of over 11,000 pounds in the Ram 1500 lineup, the truck remains highly capable for work and recreation. This combination of power and flexibility makes the Backcountry a strong all-rounder in its class. Off-road capability. The true highlight of the Backcountry lies in its off-road capability. The truck comes equipped with a 1-inch suspension lift and upgraded shock absorbers, improving ground clearance and stability on rough terrain. Protective skid plates are installed underneath to shield critical components, such as the transfer case and fuel tank. An electronic locking rear differential enhances traction on challenging surfaces like mud, sand, or rocks. Additional features such as front tow hooks and all-terrain tires make the truck ready for adventure straight from the factory. These enhancements ensure that the Backcountry is not just a styling package, but a genuinely capable off-road machine. It offers serious performance without the extreme setup of more hardcore trims. Price and market position. The Ram 1500 Backcountry 2026 is positioned as a mid-range off-road option within the Ram lineup. Pricing is expected to start at around $62,000, making it more affordable than high-end trims like the Revel, while still offering comparable off-road capability. The Backcountry package itself adds a relatively modest cost to the Bighorn trim, making it accessible to a wider range of buyers. This pricing strategy allows Ram to target customers who want off-road performance without paying a premium for extreme features. It fills an important gap in the lineup by offering strong value, modern features, and real capability. As a result, it is likely to attract both lifestyle buyers and traditional truck users. Driving experience. On the road, the Backcountry delivers a balanced driving experience that combines comfort with capability. The upgraded suspension provides improved ride quality over rough surfaces while maintaining stability on highways. Steering is responsive for a full-size truck, and the cabin remains relatively quiet even at higher speeds. Off-road, the truck feels confident and controlled thanks to its enhanced suspension and traction systems. The powertrain delivers smooth acceleration whether in city traffic or on open highways. This versatility makes the Backcountry suitable for both daily commuting and weekend adventures. It truly embodies the dual-purpose nature of modern pickup trucks. Utility and cargo management. One of the most underrated strengths of the Ram 1500 Backcountry 2026 is its exceptional practicality in cargo management system. The truck offers the innovative Ram Box storage system, which provides lockable, weatherproof compartments built into the bedsides. These compartments are not only secure, but also include lighting and drainage, making them highly versatile for tools, gear, or even outdoor equipment. Additionally, the truck features an available multi-function tailgate, which can open in multiple ways to improve loading and unloading convenience. This makes handling cargo much easier compared to traditional tailgates. In conclusion, the Ram 1500 Backcountry 2026 is a well-thought-out addition to Ram's growing truck lineup. It successfully bridges the gap between basic work trucks and extreme off-road machines by offering real capability at a reasonable price. With its rugged design, comfortable interior, modern technology, and strong performance options, it stands out as one of the most balanced full-size pickups available today. For buyers who want a truck that can handle daily driving, towing, and off-road adventures without compromise, the Backcountry is an excellent choice. As the pickup market becomes more competitive, this model proves that smart positioning and thoughtful features can create a winning formula.